Welcome to today's tutorial on operators in the C programming language. Operators are symbols used to perform operations on variables and values. Understanding them is crucial for writing efficient and expressive code. Let's dive in and explore the world of operators in C. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations. In C, we have addition, plus, subtraction, dash, multiplication, asterisk, division, slash, and modulus, %. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. The basic assignment operator is equals. We also have compound assignment operators like plus equals, dash equals, asterisk equals, forward slash equals, and % equals. Comparison operators are used to compare values. They return either true, 1, or false, 0. In C, we have equals, comma, equals, and equals. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions. In C, we have logical and, logical or, and logical not. Bitwise operators perform operations on individual bits of binary numbers. In C, we have bitwise and, bitwise, or, bitwise XOR, caret, bitwise not, left shift, and right shift. The conditional operator, also known as the ternary operator, is a shorthand for the if-else statement. It returns one of two values, depending on a condition. Operator precedence determines the order in which operators are evaluated in an expression. Parentheses can be used to override the default precedence. Associativity determines the order of evaluation for operators with the same precedence. Operators are the building blocks of expressions in C programming, enabling us to perform a wide range of operations efficiently. By understanding the different types of operators and how they work, we can write clear, concise, and expressive code to solve complex problems. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!